Laplace correction to Newton's formula. Laplace correction. Correction means the previous topic we discussing. See what is there, that is a name. We know that velocity of sound v is equal to under root of p by rho. This value we can substitute the pressure and density value we can substitute. See how much we are getting by the 287. But actually the velocity of sound how much is there? 330. This is the small correction. Small correction. See, that is the variation is there, that is say the correction. The correction is exactly value we can find it. The using, that's a Laplace correction to the Newton's formula. This is the Newton's formula. Newton's formula. Newton's formula. V is equal to under root of p by rho. See, this is say that when using of a isothermal process. The first year we can learn about the isothermal process. In isothermal process, the temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. The pressure will be increasing. The value can be decreasing. See, that is the condition based on we can discussing the V is equal to under root of p by rho. But here like the adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, the heat, the supply to the heat to the system is constant. That is, we say when the temperature slowly is increasing, the temperature can be slowly increasing. We are considering according to adiabatic process. According to adiabatic process. According to the adiabatic process. What is the adiabatic process is there? P v to the power of gamma is equal to constant. What is it here? P v to the power of gamma is equal to constant. The first year we can learn about of this one formula P v to the power of gamma. Again, this is the differentiating on both sides. We can either differentiational on both sides. Differentiation on both sides. Already we say, see what is the differentiational formulas? The d by dt into any constant that is equal to 0, and the d by dt into x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So this is the basics formulas. Now we can apply to here. See the differentiation on both sides means we can write here the d by dt into p v to the power of gamma is equal to d by dt into constant which is the k. See this value is equal to 0. And here the two terms is again this is u into v method. U into v method, the first we take the p will be the derivative and v take the constant. And after that the v can be derivative and p will take the constant. See the first one. Delta p, the derivative with respect to time, delta p into v to the power of gamma, it is the constant, plus, and this will be derivative, the p will take, the p is the constant, and v to the power of gamma, the power is taken, say x to the power of n, what is the n into x to the power of n, the gamma is coming to the here, gamma, and v to the power of gamma minus 1 into derivative of value, see delta v is equal to 0. This total term is equal to what is there here? The constant is equal to 0. See this understood here that v to the power of gamma, v to the power of gamma is nothing but x to the power of n. Right? The n into x to the power of n minus 1. See gamma into v to the power of gamma minus 1. And this total term is taken this side. Delta p into v to the power of gamma is equal to minus p into gamma into v to the power of gamma minus 1 into delta v. See, we can also write this is the gamma power of v to the power of gamma minus 1. The v to the power of gamma minus 1 is nothing but you can write this is the delta p into v to the power of gamma is equal to minus p into gamma into. See, this can be divided. The base will be same, the power should be added. The base is nothing but it is the gamma, v to the power of gamma into v to the power of minus 1 into delta v. Again this base will be same, the power should be added. The power should be gamma minus 1 is equal to gamma minus 1. The same, there is no change. Now v to the power of gamma, v to the power of gamma is cancelled. and delta P is equal, what is the here? Minus P into gamma into V to the power of minus 1 into delta V. And this minus 1 is like the denominator. And delta P is equal to minus P into gamma by V into delta V. Take the cross multiplication. See right here the delta P into V divided by delta V is equal to minus gamma into P. See, we know that. See what we know here? We know that the B is equal to delta P into V by delta V. This total term is equal to what we call the B. This B is equal to minus gamma into P. This value, this minus is here the negligible because of we take the magnitude of value. So what is taken here? The magnitude of the value is taken. This is substituting the speed of sound. V is equal to what is there? Under root of B by rho. Here B is equal to how much is there? Gamma into P. You can substitute. This V is equal to under root of gamma P by rho. See, gamma is nothing but to say the monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic is taken by the P is the pressure and P is equal to pressure, rho is equal to density. Now this is the speed of this value is nearly the equal to the velocity of sound. This is formula is because of this gamma is equal to 1.2 and pressure will know we already know 1.013 into 10 power of 5 and gamma density is equal to 1.22 into 5. This total value is nearly to the velocity of sound. See, that is the correction of the, that is called as this Laplace correction to the Newton's formula. Next, we are discussing the topic speed of longitudinal wave in gas. Speed of longitudinal wave in gas. See, already we discussing the Laplace correction to Newton's formula. See, according to Laplace correction to Newton's formula, that is the velocity V is equal to under root of gamma into P by rho. Rho is equal to here, what is here the density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by value. Now we can write here the formula V is equal to under root of gamma P by mass. Mass is equal to M by V. Write here the bracket in mass M. The value is in a V. Write the M by. The denominator of the denominator take the numerator. The V is equal to under root of gamma into P by M. PV by M. See, we know that gas equation, ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. N is equal to 1 mole we are considering by the here. The PV is equal to what is the here? The R into T. This RT value substitute here. This V is equal to under root of gamma into RT by M. See, R is the universal gas constant. R is equal to universal gas constant. T is equal to temperature. M is equal to mass. This velocity of sound, is directly proportional to the square root of temperature. And also this velocity is inversely proportional to the square root of the mass. This is the relation of the velocity and temperature and velocity and mass. See here, the continuation. In case of air, that gamma is equal to 1.4, yet temperature is given by the 273 Kelvin. The speed of sound is 332 meter per second. And at 300 Kelvin, for example, the temperature can be increasing, the speed is 340 meter per second. Observing here when temperature is increasing and speed also increasing because of the speed is directly proportional to the temperature. If Vt and V0 are the velocity of sound at T degree centigrade and 0 degree centigrade. Right, this is the formula. We know that is the velocity is directly proportional to square root of the temperature. The velocity at temperature by velocity at 0 degree centigrade is equal to under root of temperature. The 0 degree centigrade is equal to 273 Kelvin plus. Here we can write how much is given by there into temperature of the T degree centigrade. We can write here 3 by and 273 plus where we taken by the 0 degree centigrade, that is equal to under root of 273 plus T by 273. Now we can write also this is the 1 plus T by 273 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Because of the root is negligible, we can write the 1 by 2. That is a 1 plus T by 273. We all know one of the trigonometry formula is that 1 plus or this is the binomial theorem. 1 plus or minus x to the power of n is equal to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n is equal to 1 plus or minus n into x factorial. Here the higher terms are can be negligible. See here the power is multiplied here. See also same here the 1 by 2 also multiply here. This we can write here the 1 plus 1 by 2 into T by 273. See that is equal to 1 plus T by 546. See this is the formula for the velocity at T degree centigrade to the velocity at 0 degree centigrade. Vt by V0 is equal to 1 plus T by 546. This is the formula for here. And here one of the important point is there here the velocity of sound in longitudinal wave is maximum at solids and minimum at gas. See that is the velocity of solid greater than of velocity of liquid greater than of velocity of gas. See here velocity of sound in solid. See we know the velocity of any medium. What is the formula in this name? B is equal under root of B by rho. See this is the any medium. So what is saying here? Any medium. B is equal under root of B. Here B is equal, we consider here Y because of Y is equal to Young's modulus. See here for example we are the sound is sent in a solids. The sound is set in a solids. The particles are vibrating. The vibrating is the small elongation. Small elongation is nothing but it's increasing its length. That is nothing but the Young modulus is nothing but change in longitudinal stress by change in longitudinal strain. See that is called the Young modulus. That is equal to the bulk. B is equal to, we can write the Y. We substitute here the Y. B is equal to Y by rho. Y is equal to, already say the Young's modulus. Rho is equal to density. See this is taken in a solid. The speed of sound in solid. And speed of sound, velocity of sound in gas. So V is equal to under root of P by rho. And velocity of sound in liquid. So V is equal to under root of V by rho. See this is the three formulas for here, the using of a Laplace. And here the velocity of solid is 5941 meter per second. This is taken in a steam. And velocity of liquid is nothing but is take the water. See, that is equal to 1400 meter per second. And velocity of gas is taken by the 330 meter per second. This is the constant values.